Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and wow, what a cool RV. It's a Momentum 315G, short fifth wheel. Wait till you see the inside. Let me show you a couple of things on the outside. We got a pass-through storage. It is narrow. We also have the refrigerator, small one, but what we have on the inside will certainly make up for a couple of things on the outside. Again, a short fifth wheel. Let me just back up. You can see the back hatch drops down, but I haven't seen a floor plan like this yet. So let's get inside where we can have a better conversation and check this out. So that folds down into beds. It also, as you can see, couches. We also have the platform that can drop down, as well as the back tailgate. And then you have your screen, your screens here. D-rings galore. I haven't counted all the D-rings, but you know, holy smokes, look at all the D-rings. So then we also have, this folds down here. We have cabinet space up above, plenty of speakers, lighting, air conditioning. Here's all your controls here. More cabinets on this side, more speakers on this side. I love this light coming through that window above. And then your flat screen TV, microwave oven, 3-burner cooktop, nice sink here with your drying rack. It's been winterized, so I don't want to mess with it, but nice countertops. I really like the placement of that TV. This thing is set up for entertaining. Let's check out, look at that. You have a little meltdown and you don't have a thing to worry about. Then we have your French door refrigerator, freezer on top. Let's button that up and I'll show you some of the cabinet space here. Look at the depth on that cabinet. Plenty of places to put cookie sheets or pizza trays. And look at the size of that pantry for your box cereal or pancake mix. Nice deep drawers. Man, this is a short fifth wheel, but boy, it makes up for it in so many other ways. Let's go ahead and go upstairs, check out the bathroom. So we have a commode, the shower. Look at the depth. Let me hit a light here. And I'm going to just go to the master bedroom just to show you what we're dealing with. Don't know if I can get in there, but that's that cabinet we were just in. While I'm here, I'll go ahead and show you. Look at the depth of that drawer. Now, it's not deep in this way, but as far as that way, plenty of space. Nice bedroom. And look at the amount of space there. So the pass-through storage I was showing you is kind of narrow. That's a great place underneath the bed to put some of your larger lawn chairs, that sort of thing. Let me hit this light so we don't have glare. So you've got plenty of room to put some of the larger items underneath your master bed here. Queen size bed, cabinets on both sides. Look at the amount of counter space here. So if you have a CPAP machine, I almost said an alarm clock, but who would need one of those while you're out camping? Unless you're getting up before the sun and you want to go out for a ride on your ATV or your motorcycle. I'm just going to stop here a second and shoot across and look at the amount of room. So it's really a unique layout. And as I mentioned, D-rings galore. But boy, if you're looking for a fifth wheel that has unique characteristics and plenty of room for people, toys, and whatnot. This may be a short fifth wheel, but it is very large in space. So I hope you got some enjoyment out of this video. If you got value, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Leave a comment below. The comments, the thumbs up, the questions, the likes, that all adds up to the algorithm putting my videos out in front of more people. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one.